What is going on, guys? One Purpose Fishing here. Today I'm doing some fishing out on a river by my town, Concho River, but I'm actually going to be on one of my buddy's boats. Now, I've never actually been on a boat on this river. I didn't even know people could really get boats down on this river, but I'm about to pull up to his house and go fishing with him. I've never fished with him before. I just know that I'm in a group chat with this guy and he's cool and he fishes. So that's right down my lane. So I'm about to pull up to his house, get out and do some fishing.
Why, I think that's some shad. One just followed it up right there. Tiny one there. Those, I cannot believe I caught a shad on a shad, like lipless. That just blew my mind. I have all these companies that they send me their shirts, right? And I don't know why every fishing company makes their shirt in a dark color. Yeah. That was a good one. I don't know how hooked he is. But I had no idea I had that too. Good one. Yeah. Thank you, guys. First fish. Sure, is your light pole on? The fill? Where's the switch? You can't really read. It'll be the right. Oh, that one. Should be. Get a picture with it later. Only because I had my spinner on it. Oh, I got more.
Yay! Bryson! Hey, buddy.
Caught a tank.
Why? Oh, I have, never mind. When you get in your new boat, dude? I carry half of my... That's what I said, right? I threw it back there with the motor. There's kind of like a fishing place I go. No. I only fish the block. Just kidding, no. Oh, you got him. Yep. You got him cooked. What's that, 8?
That's probably a good 7.
Put him in the well.
If you're Mark Malone, that's a good 7.
Hey! Oh, shit, I just broke his jaw. Did you hear it?
That was his jaw?
That's a crack just now. Just polish that guy, you know?
Go post on Instagram. Hold him like this, don't hold him like this. That fucker just broke the damn jaw.
Throw it? No.
Throw it?
No. Wow.
Hate his phone motor so much.
That was a good video. I can feel the gravel bottom.
Yeah. I can hear it.
There's no way it's fishing bottom.
Oh, I feel the freaking gravel. Oh, that was it. That was it right there. That's a guaranteed 6+ every time.
Every time? Not just sometimes?
Every time.
Every time.
Every time.
I bet my hook.
Pretty good river fish.
I must hate the fish, right?
I was like, John's gonna take me home. My dad was like, who's that? I was like, the guy I went to the dam with. He was like, who? I was like, the guy who has YouTube. He's like,
Yeah, everybody usually just knows me through my YouTube.
only $50 to enter.
They'd win, they'd be like, God, do I have to go?
Damn it, do I have to go?
Jaden had to go, so I'm here with Bryson now. Oh my gosh, it's super bright, but he's right there. He's right there. You can see him. We're going into a Stripes.
Get a Slurpee.
He's gonna get a Slurpee, and then we're gonna go pond hop some ponds in the pond.
Couple ponds.
Couple ponds. We'll see what happens. Let's get into Stripes and get some drinks. Going in. Thank you, good sir. Hi. Hi. Get your slush, monkey. Son.
What size can I have, Dad?
Frozen. Is that much really necessary? Is that good? Gotta film every aspect of my life. Nobody knows the struggle. Okay. Thank you, don't feel it.
Thanks, Dad.
For you?
Yes.
$4.78.
Alright guys, well I'm back. I'm back at my house. As you can tell, we didn't have that long to fish on the river because my buddy had to go. But while we were on there, it was still a lot of fun. It was nice to fish that river and actually catch some good fish. I've only fished it from like the start of it in my John boat, as you've seen in previous videos. But I had a great time out in the water, just messing around, having a fun time with my friends. But then we tried to do some pond hopping. Fished a pond that I have never fished before, and as you can tell, that was crap. Those ponds, that's what you get with San Angelo. You're like, oh, I found some sweet ponds. No, it sucks. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Had a fun time making it. That's all I got for today's video, guys. I'm On Purpose Fishing. Remember, keep your mind right and your line tight, and thanks for watching.